My challenge: how do I get data from my Business Objects universe into Power BI? The solution? Use InfoBurst PBI to automatically send universe data to the Power BI server. In InfoBurst, the workflow to extract data from a universe and send it to Power BI server is simple. We start by selecting our Business Objects environment. From there, we'll select our universe, eFashion. Then we select the dimensions and measures that will form our universe query. We can either run the universe query with the selected objects or apply a filter to refine the query results. Then we can preview the query to ensure that it returns the proper result. At runtime, InfoBurst will create a Power BI dataset from the universe query. We create a delivery where InfoBurst will send the Power BI dataset to the Power BI server in the selected workspace. We'll give the dataset a name. We then create a schedule to regularly run the universe query and deliver the resulting data to Power BI server. Once InfoBurst has refreshed and delivered our universe data to Power BI server, then it's just a matter of designing our data visualization using that refreshed data. Once the dashboard is published, InfoBurst will then automatically update the underlying dataset based on your schedule.